Dear viewers, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome you all to my channel NUR'S blog. Today I am going to show you all the daily activities of Japanese. You can see a metro rail station in Japan, which is in the Tokyo. Tokyo, the capital city of Japan. The Japanese have to use the metro rail daily to go to their working place. It is the main means for the Japanese to go to their destinations. The metro rail stations are very quiet and calm, and looks very beautiful with its nice environment. You can see, dear friends, all Japanese are busy with their work. You can see various shopping malls with the station, so that the passengers can get all kinds of things or goods easily. They are hurrying up to get the rail for their destinations. We all know that Japanese are very working people. They have to like work, only work, only work. They don't waste their valuable time. They use their valuable time perfectly for themselves and for their nation. They love their nation very much. They don't like to chit-chatting with others at the time of going working place and in the working place. They know the best uses of time. We all know that the Japanese are the clever and most developed nation in the world. They work in their place with shift from dawn to dusk. All are hurrying up to catch the train for their destination. All the activities of metro rail stations are running in time perfectly. They have no delaying to start the train and stop. With the definite times, all passengers are getting off into the train. Train does not know who is the VIP and who are the normal people. It also maintains time perfectly. The environment of metro rail station are highly feasible, calm, quiet and noise-free. Japanese don't like to gossip. They don't like to use time lazily. Every people of Japan knows how to use the time, how they use the time. They know time is money, money is life. It's a big supermarket in the Tokyo. You can get all kinds of things here. All kinds of daily necessities are available in the market. You can buy this paying definite price, which are in here. It's the inside of metro rail. This is looking very beautiful. The Japanese keep inside of the rail calm, quiet and clean. They have to use this compartment to go to their working place daily. Dear friends, Japanese are hardworking people. They like to keep their environment clean. They use beans to use wastage. It's a big supermarket in Tokyo. After completing the working place, the people go there and buy their necessary goods from this market. You can get all kinds of fruits, all kinds of snacks, all kinds of biscuits are available there. Fruits like apple, bananas and everything you can get here. You can buy your necessary goods from this market, paying a definite price, which are with the goods. You can see sweet potatoes, apple, bananas, and various kinds of vegetables in the supermarket. After completing the daily activities, the Japanese go to the supermarket and buy their necessary things. They like to use vegetables in their daily meal. So, my dear friends, I would like to show you the daily activities of the people of Japan. If you like this video, I would like to request you to subscribe my channel. So, the viewers who are with me to watch these videos, I would like to my gratitude and thanks to all.